In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailerlite to Shopify. We'll use Zapier to bridge the two so you can automate tasks without writing any code. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that listens for an event in Mailerlite and performs an action in Shopify. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zapier. Zapier is an automation platform that connects your favorite apps. When the results load, click the official Zapier website. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a clean dashboard and options to log in or try it for free. Sign in to your Zapier account. If you're new, you can create one quickly. Before moving on, make sure you have access to your Mailerlite and Shopify accounts with the right permissions. Having both open in separate tabs can make authorization faster. In Zapier, click the Create button and choose to make a new Zap. A Zap is a two-part automation, a trigger that starts things off and an action that follows. Think of it like, when this happens in Mailerlite, do that in Shopify. For the trigger, search for and select Mailerlite. Choose a trigger event such as Campaign Sent. This means your workflow will start when a campaign goes out. Click to connect your Mailerlite account and authorize Zapier when prompted. Once connected, Zapier may ask you to select a specific campaign, group, or workspace depending on the trigger. Use the Test Trigger button to pull in sample data. Seeing real sample data here is helpful because you'll map those fields to Shopify next. Now, set up the action. Search for Shopify and select it as your action app. Choose an action event like Add Line Item to Order. Connect your Shopify store and approve the connection in the pop-up. In the action setup, you'll map fields from Mailerlite to Shopify. For example, select which order to update and specify the product and quantity for the line item. If your workflow needs a different outcome, you can pick another action event that better fits your process, but the setup steps are similar: connect, map fields, and preview. Run a test. Zapier will send test data to Shopify so you can confirm it behaves as expected. If everything looks good, click Publish to turn your Zap on. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, and make sure the toggle is enabled. That's it. You've connected Mailerlite to Shopify using Zapier. Keep an eye on your Zap history for any errors, and revisit your field mapping whenever your campaigns or products change.